Hello, this is the Victor Contractor, which is available in 400mm or 450mm in standard speed or high speed, so it will cover a range of cleaning tasks that you'll need a floor machine to do. And so basically we have the dry board attachments, which is supplied with the machine. Brushes are available as well. Works basically with prickly face. Just a nylon pad just pushes onto it and keeps it tight on there. And it fits to the underside of the machine on this drive pulley here. Quarter turn and keeps it in place. So you can see the machine has a robust construction. Other features I could note has a high-vis cable, which is 15 metres long. Has a rubber buffering around the outside of the machine, which is there to protect skirting boards and furniture. Okay, so we'll do a little bit of spray cleaning. This is a high-speed machine, so spray cleaning and polishing would be a machine would be a task that it's most suited to. So just spray a little bit of solution on the floor first of all. Put the handle in the correct position. And the machine works side to side. So this would be the type of task you do on a regular basis to keep the floor clean and shining. To learn more about availability and pricing, either call 0121 706 5771 or email sales@victorfloorcare.com.